Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support, open settings, and check about for OTG or USB host. Once done, connect a known good OTG cable. Make sure the connector fits snug. If the attached device draws power, use a powered USB hub to avoid undervoltage. Make sure USB debugging is off for normal use, and then power cycle both devices. This forces fresh negotiation. If the phone still ignores the accessory, test the cable with another OTG-capable phone to isolate the fault. Once the physical link is solid, unlock the phone and pull down notifications to select the appropriate USB mode. Choose File Transfer for storage or Accessory mode for controllers. If the device needs a driver, install the app or module. On Android, grant storage permissions. Test with a simple peripheral like a flash drive, watching for mount notifications or LED activity. If it fails, unplug and replug while the screen is awake to trigger detection, and try an alternate file manager app to confirm software recognition. To finish, verify you can open and save files. Always safely eject the storage before unplugging to prevent corruption. If using keyboards, controllers, or audio, configure input or sample rate settings in the relevant app. If the accessory still misbehaves, reset USB preferences in system settings, or test the accessory on a PC to rule it out. Key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent or no connection persists, swap the OTG cable and use a powered hub. Most failures are due to cable faults or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.